Abroso. Overflow. This man standing beside me is here to present his testimony to celebrate you and our Father Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Abroso. Angel Obinim, this gentleman standing beside me is presenting his testimony to celebrate you and our Father Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Angel, according to him, he was living in a serious, abject poverty. No even one cedi to buy kenke. He didn't have anything. Life was really difficult for him. So Angel, according to him last year, he came to you with tears. Angel, I don't have anything. I'm suffering. So Angel, please help me. Angel, you look at his face, then you laugh. You said, oh, my son, weep no more. I'm an angel, so I will help you. Take the oil, go and use, and I will come and then help you in your dream. Angel, he took the oil, and then he started the direction. He said when he finished, some weeks later, you yourself and other pastor, he said he can't, in fact, recollect the name of that pastor, but it's one of your pastors. Angel, you appeared to him in his dream one day. Then you said, my son, physically you've come to me with your problems. I also assure you that I will come into your dream to perform some of the angelic work for you. So today I'm here to help you. That is my mission. Then when you finish, the pastor that he accompanied you to his dream said, yes, my father angel has spoken. So don't worry. You put all your trust in him and things will change for the best for you. Angel, then both of you disappeared when you finished. Angel, he said, daybreak, when he woke up, he was so happy that you've appeared to him in his dream. So he was anticipating something. The mind was on something. That angel has appeared to me. Definitely, I have to get something. Then he said, angel, I have to come and then see you again. I have to come to church and then see you again. But angel, I'm still reminding you, the money. Then he said, he overheard a sharp voice that, I've come to you, I've told you, I will help you. So exercise patience, don't rush. So angel, he said one day, he was taking a stroll. He was walking around. Then he walked for some distance. Then he saw an envelope just lying before him. So quickly, he rushed. And then before picking the envelope, he said, angel, I know this is money, but I don't want cedis. I want US dollars. And lo and behold, this man went to pick the envelope on the ground. That you yourself had put it on the ground. Then he picked it. Angel, he took some steps further. He went to sit somewhere, opened the envelope, and then started checking the money. In the first place, he saw the money was dollars. Then angel, he started counting the money one by one. After counting the money, angel, it was 2,500 US dollars.
Over 100 million Ghana cedis.
Over 100 million Ghana cedis.
Stand up and shout!
Nisako, Nisako, Nisako. Nisako. Be
Hey! Hey! Just one encounter with angel. $2,500 US for free. That is the money. That is the cash. It's not cedis. It's dollars. 2,500 free money.
Man, collect or take the microphone. What happened to you?
Abroso.
Explain in Ghanaian language. Chi.
Me pa ochao. Enti enam
What's the name say upeska?
sa. Enti me se me peska. Ena papa say me nko obeya ama me. Me nko me ya ama me. Me ko twen. Enya yi. Enti one day me tena TV ho. Me say papa yi o say say ono opese yen ka asam na enhye no. Enti me ko tam me dan papers and I made the gina TV no and I say papa me dan papers ni se one year mami a na se me turn down way a aye wo ningu ase ana me de bompaye e wo TV no ho ana me call die into 3 days time ana awiakete mi su die na me papa yi ba me nchen one sofo baako me huna nim ye asa Eric ne ayi me huna ni ye nti a power nti ohonoma na me say papa ma free me japade nyina enam DKM nti me ho kire me no say oh sofo kitwa onye mame onje me jap me bibia onsanje ne nyina ama me back ena obompaye ema me o say waje ama me ena miss sorry ye daim 3 days last week Wednesday ena me ko krom me san ba no e kire so na me bompaye say o say me ba ha eno de fiscal o say me ba ha be hu ya papa Angel Obinim na so me ni lord fe me free waton me ni lord fe me ba ha me kola krampo mo apam mo school fees a mo tifi ena me ka kire say papa o ma me lord fe na me mbra ha nsam be hunu wa bra me hu da we de o se se me hunu wo da me hu bibi wo nchen o se me ba ba hunu enti ni mo 3 days time me ko kroma me san ba me na me fro moto bi ebe si ye na guy bi me ne tifi e na o de moto be twom na me say me kita normal so me say papa we me ne tifi ade na wa mfa me ene normal we ena me de normal hu say emma de ye ntanso normal we tiri so me de to me ha na me kon achie sei sana papa no na ye ne sa opese me kon no onhu bebi a opese me hu nti me nante sa be se ha ne ha me ko hwe a envelope na da hoyi ena na no abai kakra kanya sa anka me papa na ni abie kanya sa me te afaso enti na ni abie nyame nsira no ena me kwatam envelope no ba ma hu se na no na te ena me bokam se na me de se me bottom fast ena me nante me hu se ena me se papa se ye wo Angel Obinim dia sika we me pe Ghana cedis ya bre nti se ye wo dia ma anye dollars say me lord fair na me say me pese me de ba be hu na ma anye dollars sa na me nante a me bompaye wo me tirim sa e na me de ko wura fie
Ni nyina na envelope ni shobotom.
Ni nyina na envelope nu se mbotom me bie e na me de ko wura dem me ko wura dem na me wife e betena o hwe manim e na me san sore na me san call me nkola dem
Se maka member de edusika samoa ya maya yiri mu hu de ko
ana me ko me nkola dem ana me ko bie envelope no me bie kakra me hwe me $1 da me hwe na ye dollar me hwe no me si aburuso me say ana me di mirika epie ba na me say sisi a Angela ye Obinim aba krom Obinim ono say ade I say Bishop Angel Obinim oba krom no say de no me di ayina man me say hwe ai danyina
wakani amayoni na bi atira mi wakani ya mamu mi po odonfuwe dani wa pata wa taina ni yotu wa mawe wakani amayoni na bi atira mi wakani ya mamu mi po odonfuwe dani wa pata taina ni yotu wa mawe
Bring the money. Ebra me kain sika no na wo de wani ehwe e wo TV ne so na wo tene won sa se me so me receive bi.
As I'm counting the money here, you also watch the screen, then you tell yourself, I also receive some of this money.
$100 biano me pa bon say enye to say $1,000 or $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 amount. $100 bia me kain bia.
Every $100 that I count, it should appear to you like 10,000 or even more dollars for you.
Ba ku bia anya to say bia $5,000, $10,000, $20,000.
$100, yeah, should represent 5,000, 10,000, or even $20,000 for you.
It me kain.
So I'm counting.
Me ka wana me kwa no waka one because me pese me kegu mic me ko.
Good.
Let's say back with $50 too. Listen to me.
Hear me.
Me say nipa bi a was asisusu omboa Jesus obeboa.
If all people, all persons on this earth say they won't help you, Jesus Christ will help you.
Ekwaye Awurade befa so aboa nipa nte ase da.
The avenues, the ways that Jesus will use to help you, mankind would never understand it.
Wodi wani ato nipa bi so oye wabusuani, oye hu nipa bi, oye obi, no wo se ono de omwa wa. Awurade be mo nya de kese bi, sika kese bi, ewo efom. Obi aso omwa wa, wo su benya sika wo fom, efom. Wo benya ade bi a woni na. Uchi dia sorry ka say I receive it.
If all people, all persons say they will never help you, Jesus Christ will conjure some miracle. You get some money on the ground, and that money will be so huge, and you use it to solve all your problems, and you prosper with that money, as has happened to this gentleman.
But on some Jesus no be my wife.
Messiano, oh, oh, oh.